So we will be discussing accuracy and precision. Accuracy and precision. So what do you mean by accuracy? So suppose the true length of some rod, true length of some rod is suppose 2.250 centimeter, and here are three people. You can say person one or student one, person one. You can say anything. Person two and person three. So like their first measurement was or you can say first observation was that the length is 2.25 centimeter, and the second 2.252 centimeter, 2.250 centimeter. Measurement 2, it was 2.27 centimeter, 2.250 centimeter, 2.250 centimeter. Measurement 3, it was 2.26 centimeter, 2.251 centimeter, it's 5, and again 2.251 centimeter. When we took the average, so it is something like 2.26 centimeter, 2.251 centimeter, 2.250 centimeter. So this was the observations made by person 1, like observation 1, 2, 3 and the average. It's 2.26 centimeter. The true length of the rod is 2.250 centimeter. The true length of rod is 2.250, it's 2.250 centimeter. For second person, there are three observation he took reading first time, second time and third time, and the average which came out to be 2.251 centimeter. And for person 3, there was different observation, he took reading three times, he also took reading three times, and the length came out for him is also 2.250. So what accuracy is that it's how much close it means these all are the observed values, these all are the observed values. So the closeness of observed value to its true value. What is accuracy? Closeness of observed value to its true value, that is called an accuracy. Means like for this one it's more accurate, the result is more accurate, it's accurate or you can say more accurate, because it's quite much similar, 2.250, and the length is here also, length is 2.250. Actually this is the average of all three measurements. Measurement 1 made by person 1, Measurement 2 means first time he took the length, he found this length. Second time he took the length, person 1, he found this length. Third time he took the length, means he measured the length. So he found this much of length and we took the average. So it was 2.26. So here also it's means this is, you can say it's not accurate because it's 2.26. The length is 2.26 and true length of the rod is 2.250. So you can say it's not accurate, not accurate. The second one it's 2.251, but the true length is 2.250. So you can say that the person 2 observation is a bit more accurate than the person 1. So this is a bit more accurate, means more accurate than person 1. So accuracy is how much close your observed value to its true value. That is called a, closeness of your observed value to its true value. That is called the accuracy. What is the precision? So actually it is closeness between different observed values. Closeness between different observed values. So this is the observation 1, this is the observation 2, this is the observation 2, 3. You can say here it is 2.25 centimeter, 2.27 centimeter, 2.26 means they are not precise, you can say, because they are not much close to each other. But in the second case you can see here like it's 2.252, 2.250, 2.251 means it's it's a bit much more closer, you can say. Closeness means these are the different observed values. So how close they are. Only in the third case you can say like 2.250, 2.250 and 2.251. So the third is more precise, the person 3 is more precise. So we can say that the person 3 measurements are more accurate and more precise in comparison to person 2 and person 1. And means the person 1, the observations are neither precise nor accurate. Okay, so what is accuracy? Closeness of observed value to its true value, like true length. This is the true length. So how close the observed values are, that is called an accuracy. And precision is means the closeness between the different observed value. These are the observed values. So how close they are, that is what is called the precision. Okay, and like error also we can say. What is error? So means like true value. This is what is called the true value minus observed value. So error in instrument is the true value over the observed value. So like here might be some instrument might be used for measuring the length. So this is the true length, as we know that it's true length. So in this way we can find the accuracy, precision and error in instrument. Okay.